Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro, and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. All you have to do is to press the power button, which is in this configuration located on the left, and press it long enough until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press this button and just ignore everything. We've got this power off or reboot option, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. Keep pressing on the power button. We've got a black screen, which is a really good sign, so keep pressing. We've got the developer's logo, so now we can release the finger and simply wait. Our second will be restarted in a second. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.